Hi everyone, welcome to Limitless Technology. I'm Luke, your guide to the fascinating world of cutting-edge technology. But first, let's talk about what Limitless Technology is all about. This channel is dedicated to exploring the latest technological advancements, future trends, and the impact of tech on our everyday lives. Our objective is to make technology easy to understand, accessible, and exciting for everyone. We're here to demystify the complex jargon, to delve into how things work, and to shine a light on what the future might hold. Every week, we'll bring you 5 videos packed with informative and engaging content. From AI to VR, from the latest gadgets to the future of computing, we cover it all. We'll be looking at startups that are disrupting the industry, explore how tech is helping combat climate change, and even discuss how space technology is reshaping our understanding of the universe. By subscribing to Limitless Technology, you'll stay ahead of the curve in understanding the tech landscape. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional wanting to keep up with your field, or someone who's simply curious about how technology is changing our world, this channel is for you. If you're as excited as we are about this journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our content. Welcome to Limitless Technology, where the possibilities are as vast as the universe, and the only limit is your imagination. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay limitless. This is Luke, and I'll see you in our next video.